Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create API keys and connect them to WordPress. The process is going to be very simple. So you're going to head over your WordPress website or your WooCommerce, let's say, store on WordPress. Obviously, it is going to be integrated in here. Now, we need a special plugin so we can get that specific API installed before we get anything. So in here, I'm going to show you some demonstrations because we have some steps that I cannot access. Because here, unfortunately, I am only on the trial version of WordPress and I cannot install some plugins, unfortunately. So we are going to head over the plugins after we have selected the website of our needs in here on WordPress. Then basically when you click on plugins, you're going to see the search bar. But here I need to upgrade, but I'm going to click on browse the plugins anyway. Now I'm going to give you a plugin name that you're going to search for. So you are going to get the ability to get or install the API keys in it. So the plugin name is going to be WP or WordPress, the abbreviation of WordPress, get API. So this is it. WP get API. We're going to search for it, and this is. So here we have it. WordPress get API. You are going to get the ability to connect to any external or reset API. So this is going to be very sophisticated. You are going to install it into your WordPress website. Now, the integration or the dashboard of that specific plugin is going to be something like that. So this is a screenshot of the app itself or the plugin itself. You're going to have the setup of the API. You can put the API name that you are going to connect to, the unique ID that you are going to get for that API, and the base URL. So the base URL, you're going to have it so it is going to be connected to that specific area. Now, how we can create the APIs. Here I have some platforms that usually you can use to integrate or create the APIs. For example, we have Zapier, but I'm not going to use Zapier for the moment. I'm going to show you here two of the main platforms that I have used in the past. The first one is going to be the email marketing platform, which is going to be Mailchimp. You can go ahead and use Klaviyo if you do not want to use Mailchimp. It is going to be the same thing. So, how we can create an API key on Mailchimp? Basically, we are going to head over our settings. So, we are going to head over the settings, and from here, we are going to head over the extras. So, we are going to see here API keys, and then basically we are going to create the API. So what is the API? It is going to be a key that you are going to give to WordPress. So it is going to permit the access to your account, also the data that you have set on that specific platform that you have created the API key from. So for example, I want here an API key. I'm going to click on create an API key. I'm going to give it a name, for example, test, just like that. Click on generate key, and then we are going to get that API key into here. Then we are going basically to put it in here. This is the unique ID that you're going to put. The base URL, you're going to have it here. The base URL of the API you are connecting to. Basically, you're going to have the website of right there, as you can see, Mailchimp. So you are going to put it in here, and you can go ahead and get the API from here. Also, you can go ahead and also apply this. So you're going to get that. Instead, you're going to head over the extras and you're going to have here the account. So this is the example. So for example, account slash API. Also, you can do that with the OpenAI, and it is going to be very interesting to explore or exploit more of the features that you have on OpenAI. We have from the products APIs, so we are going to have API login. So basically, you are going to head over API login. Then you are going to get some docs or some overviews in here. So you can select one of the models in here or directly go to the subject, which is going to have the APIs. So you're going to search from here. You can go ahead and type in API just for that, and then you're going to see here it has where it have given us the I don't know why it has given the batches, or I don't know. So you can go ahead and check out the APIs for the authentication. Here we have the API keys. As you can see, you can go ahead and get them from here. So you can go ahead and click on here. Then you're going to create the secret key for that API, give it a name, the project, for example, and then you're going to have, oh, for example, you're going to create your API key from here. You're going to copy it, and then you're going to have it right there. So you're going to put it in here, put the API name that you have set, the unique ID that we have here, for example, for this API key for Open AI, and the base URL, we are going to have this. This is the base URL. So basically that was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.